Hey folks, Matt here with West Chicago Railroad. I know it's been several months since I've posted a video, and I promise I will get some quick runs and some review videos up. But before I did that, I really wanted to finish the layout that I had planned. I was kind of tired of looking at the wood baseboard, and I really wanted to kind of come through and kind of finish what I started. So really, the track is done. The only thing I have left is to finish the landscaping. So there's some here. I have a crossing to put in. I have a couple more signals to install. The signals are Z stuff signals, so there's no having to wire into the track. It's more just drilling a hole and running the power to it because they're infrared sensors that trigger off the motion of the train. So they're really easy to install, and again, I don't have to mess with bringing up the track, which I've already ballasted. So again, really close to finishing this, and after that, I'm going to do a full review, and then hopefully start doing all my tools over here. Sorry about that. But yeah, I want to finish this up, and I'm going to get started on some quick runs of all my engines and then start on some reviews. So hopefully that'll be coming in a few weeks. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys. And again, this is Matt from West Chicago Railroad.